Hey Tony. Hey Tony.
I don't know, it was there before.
Hey Tony.
Yeah.
Your ducks are making too much noise, the geese. What are you going to do about it?
I am feeding them and I'm trying to sell them. You know, someone that wants to buy them, I put it in the paper.
I have no idea.
I'm sorry, they do that when I feed them and everybody loves it.
No,
Okay?
it's making noise
If you don't
all.
like it, move. Move. We have the right to animals here. I'm feeding them right now. I have a problem right now.
I'm not sure why you're shouting at me, Mary. They have been making noise all day.
They have not.
Since
They
morning.
just won't quit it. They just started now when I came out with the food. Get your bitchin' rays off of them then.
Say that again?
They're making noise. You're hurting them.
That's a very annoying noise, Mary.